Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Wednesday. It was cloudy and drizzly to begin with against the eastern escarpment this morning. Over the western parts it's a clear day, but there is a cold front approaching that will bring rain to the western and northern Cape on Thursday. Today is also the shortest day of the year in the southern hemisphere as a result of the winter solstice that took place in the early morning hours. Due to the winter solstice, the sun's rays are directly incident over the northern Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, where they're experiencing the longest day of the year. In Cape Town, we're expecting less than 10 hours of sunlight today, Johannesburg just under 10.5 hours, and over the next couple of days and even weeks, we'll only notice seconds being added to daylight hours, which will increase significantly as we head towards July and August. This morning started off very cloudy over the far eastern parts, and fog was reported on the Highveld and in the eastern Free State as well. Drizzle reports were observed over the northern parts of the Lowveld, but there's also a bank of low cloud waiting to move in ahead of an approaching cold front that's still lying far to the southwest of the country. Therefore, we can expect a bit of evening rain around the Cape Peninsula and the adjacent interior as the onshore flow increases as the cold front moves closer. Due to the approaching front, we're also expecting a breezy afternoon over the western parts. Over the eastern half of South Africa, partly cloudy conditions, and we're not expecting any more precipitation, but the onshore flow will have an influence on daytime temperatures. A high of 22 in Pretoria today, 22 degrees in Mpumalanga as well. Cooler weather over the interior of KZN with 20 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, 18 in Bethlehem, and a maximum of 20 in Bloemfontein. The hour with a high of 17 degrees, it stays cold in Sutherland at 13, and in Cape Town we're expecting a maximum of 16. Winds become fresh this afternoon over the western parts, speeds up to 25 km per hour in Sutherland and Cape Town, moderate northwesterlies over the Free State, and we're also expecting breezy conditions later on in Durban with northeasterlies up to 25 km per hour. Tomorrow we're expecting a warmer day over the eastern half of South Africa, highs reaching the upper 20s in KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, but it will be cold and wet over much of the Western Cape and the southwestern parts of the Northern Cape as well. On Friday, temperatures will take their time to recover over the western half of the country, and it becomes cooler in KZN with a bit of rain along the north coast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy your day.